This is a 13 on your side weather update.
George, you're looking festive. You know this is one of my favorite nights of the year, and we have great weather for trick-or-treating tonight.
You know, we've had really terrible Halloweens,
We
but
have.
you know, this is actually pretty good. You know, when you're all dressed up in a costume, you don't want it to be like 80 degrees.
No,
it's just too
no.
warm.
Comfortable.
But it is nice to see the kids with the costumes without the coats.
Yeah.
We always get to appreciate that. Yeah, it's a great night here in West Michigan. Further north you are, you've had more sunshine and less rain throughout the day today. And even south of Grand Rapids, it's not bad. Got a couple of sprinkles going on right now. 13 weather ball for the first day of November. Yes, November tomorrow is red. Warmer weather ahead. Unusually warm to start the month of November. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Hey, check out Zoe and his nice looking costume there, or her, depends on Gage. You can take Zoe out for a walk anytime this evening without the fear of getting wet, especially north and west of Grand Rapids. Temperatures will stay in the 50s most of the evening and even only in the upper 40s during the early morning hours. A superhero there, as you can tell. Tomorrow, more sunshine than today, almost a mostly sunny day after a little bit of fog in the morning to the south and east. Not a lot of wind here the last several days, so the generating green electricity will come from the sun, especially next to several days. Sunshine to the north, clouds to the south. Showers are along the I-94 corridor creeping up here into southern Allegan County, but all of this is just drying up and slowly transporting to the east, so the majority of the folks in our viewing area will be dry for the next few hours. And you can see hour by hour those showers continue to be right along the I-94 corridor, and the winds are going to stay out of the west here this evening and then shift to the south for the next several days. You can see those showers dissipating between now and 11 o'clock. We'll see a little bit of morning fog here in West Michigan. And then the skies will become sunny in the afternoon. That should allow our temperatures to get up into the low and mid 60s once again. A few more clouds here overnight Tuesday night, but as we get through the rest of the week, sunny skies here on Wednesday. Thursday will also be mainly sunny. Some high clouds will come in Thursday night into Friday, but all of this rain back to our west is going to hold off until Saturday night. So there'll be a period of time Saturday night, probably while you're sleeping, where the rain will come on through, and Sunday morning as we get that time change, the rain will end and quickly move on out. We'll be back to some sunshine. Best day this weekend to clear out your leaves, most likely on Saturday, but Sunday won't be too bad. The big thing is there'll be a lot of wind this weekend. Forecast high temperatures tomorrow. Back up into the low and mid 60s. Looking good. We'll be in the mid 60s here on Wednesday. Average highs are in the mid 50s, and we're going to continue this weather pattern right on through Thursday with more 60s, and the 60s will last through the rest of the weekend. After that, though, we are going to start to cool off. This is after Election Day through the second weekend of November. We're looking at temperatures approaching cooler than average readings. At that time, average highs are in the upper 40s to low 50s, so we are going to be trending colder into the 40s, and we have a slightly higher chance for less precipitation during that 7-day period. Forecast then for tonight, it's mostly clear skies to the north, low 40s there, mostly cloudy with just another hour or two of a shower from Holland southward, mid 40s there, mostly clear or partly cloudy north, upper 30s along US 10, mid 40s further south, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area there might be some fog, especially the east and southeast of Grand Rapids where there's some rain. Overnight lows in the mid and upper 40s. 13 on your side forecast. Unusually mild right on through the weekend with highs in the mid and upper 60s. There's one of two cold fronts coming through. Saturday night we'll have the wind with the showers that clears the clouds out for the time change on Sunday. Another cold front coming through late in the day on Tuesday. We'll drop our temperatures out of the 60s with showers into the very chilly 40s.
We had Halloweens where you had to wear a coat. We've had them where it was just a little too uncomfortable in the costumes.
Right, but we've lucked out this year. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons out on the weather deck with a not-so-scary forecast, George.
Yeah, it's spectacular, not spooktacular.
Nice.
It is definitely a very good evening here in West Michigan. Some areas are seeing a little bit of light rain, especially down south of Grand Rapids. But we've got a great start to the month of November on the way. 13 weather ball is red, warmer, sunny, dry weather ahead. Kind of unusual to start November. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Sunshine this afternoon, boosted temperatures into the mid-60s north, including 67 in Fremont, where there were a few more clouds and a few more showers. Upper 50s to near 60. We forecast 59, and that's what we reached today. Second day in a row with a bullseye. We like to wrap up the month of October on a fine note. 6 days in a row within 3 degrees. We're going to end up the month of October below average for temperatures, precipitation, and snowfall. Yes, we do get 3/10 of an inch of snow usually in October. Positive side for some sunshine, and after all of the leaves have fallen, great for raking leaves the next 3 days. No precipitation, light winds, and the ground virtually dry. Radar and satellite animation showing mostly clear to partly cloudy skies north, cloudy southward. There are a couple of sprinkles of rain here, mainly along the I-94 corridor, and that's where they're going to stay here overnight tonight. No major weather systems, though, coming in our direction anytime soon. Upper level winds have got that little low pressure system coming through right now, and there'll be another one coming through later on this week. That'll bring us our Saturday night showers, and that will be it. We are looking at a cold front then coming on through later on next week, and that is going to finally introduce some colder air after Election Day with some showers on Election Day. And look at this, a lot of cold air will be moving on in after that. Hour by hour, we're looking at those showers moving on out. We've got lots of sunshine expected on Tuesday, and that will last through Saturday before the clouds and showers roll through. And highs tomorrow up into the mid-60s, well above our average high in the mid-50s, and we're going to be 66 here on Wednesday in Grand Rapids and 68 to 70 during the day on Thursday. For tomorrow, skies will become sunny, low in mid-60s, especially along the lake shore. From Holland southward, you'll make the mid-60s away from the lake up north with a light southwest breeze. In the morning, there might be some fog that'll take until afternoon to burn off, but highs will recover into the mid and upper 60s. 13 on your side forecast. Got those showers Saturday night, probably while you're sleeping. It'll be very windy on Sunday, a little cooler behind that front, but you'll get an extra hour of sleep with the time change. Showers again Monday night into Tuesday, Election Day. That'll be the stronger of the two cold fronts. It will drop us back down into the 40s the following Wednesday.